Hey guys, this is Aruna with Keller Williams, and I'm back here with my loan officer, Amy Rocket from our office, very good friend of mine. And I know there are various type of loan out there in the market, and I want to talk about very unique loan here today, and it is a rehab loan. And Amy, please explain what is the rehab loan and how do we qualify for it?
So a rehab or renovation loan, that is a loan that's used for, let's say someone walks into a home.
Right.
You can do it if you already live there.
Right.
So you can update, remodel,
Right.
and finance the costs of the updates and remodel.
Right.
You can also do it when you purchase.
Right.
So let's say they love the home, they love the location, they love the bones. It's got good bones, but maybe it doesn't have the perfect kitchen or master bath, or
Right.
maybe they want a screened-in, back porch or
Right.
something like that. Those things can all be done at the time of purchase. So we get estimates for those, and we can roll those costs into the initial loan. So they don't have to wait months or years to be able to do the repairs or the remodels or updates
Right.
that they might want to do at the time that they're looking to purchase.
Yes, and also you can do it at the existing home also that they are looking.
Absolutely.
So that's here is the trick, guys. If you guys are already leaving the house, I know market is crazy, and if you guys are thinking, hey, you know what, let's just stick to the one that we have and we want all the luxury and upgrades that we wanted, then this is the loan to go with. So thank you so much.